It was just two lovers sitting in the car, listening to Blonde, falling for each other. Pink and orange skies, feeling super childish. No Donald Glover. Missed call from my mother. Like, where you at tonight? Got no alibi. I was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night. I don't need no light to see you shine. It's your golden hour. You slow down time in your
Stuck inside a house I built. Lock the doors and
Si
close.
Carmi sa bahay, tahimik lang siya, and then napapansin ko sa kanya, pag meron siyang assignment sa school, nagpo-focus muna siya doon, and after that, bumabawi naman siya, tumutulong siya sa mga household chores namin, like nag-aayos siya ng sarili niyang kwarto. Helpful naman siya sa amin ng papa niya, kasi tatlo lang halos kami sa bahay ngayon eh. Yung kuya niyang dalawa is nasa abroad, so siya lang talaga din yung maasahan namin sa bahay na makakasama.
Comfort. I didn't know that only you.
Happy birthday, Carmi!
They want my house fast asleep.
Napakasipag mag-aral niya, matalino. Halos lahat ka nang magmula elementary hanggang high school hanggang senior puro high honor. Kaya magandang ano yun. Masimula sa kanya pag siya nag-college, tuloy-tuloy na.
I thought the pain would never leave.
Tagal nga namin ng preparation na to, halos 3 months eh. Kaya tuwan-tuwa siya nung ngayon na, matutuloy na. Tagal, kaya ngayon enjoy.
Pag lagi akong wala, nasa work ako, sila lang talaga ng papa niya yung laging magkasama dito sa bahay. So, napaka-independent niya. As in, nagulat ako. As in, alam niya lahat na parang bata siya na maliit dati. Hanggang ngayon, dala-dala niya. Kumbaga, hindi ko na siya kailangan bigyan ng instructions. Alam niya na yung gagawin niya sa lahat ng bagay. Yun ang gusto ko sa kanya. Hindi na siya kailangan sabihan pa, may kusa siya. And then, the same time, very independent na bata.
A ray of sun to heal the hurt.
Wish ko sana sa'yo maging good girl, study hard, respect to your mommy and daddy, especially love. Lagi ka makinig sa kanilang mga pangaral para maging maganda rin ang kahinatnan ng iyong buhay. Okay, happy birthday again.
Resurrecting me.
Diba, kuya, how they sacrifice, yung paghatid sundo, and all the foods, you know, very blessed. Basta number one is family, diba? By the time comes na you've achieved what you dream of, naging successful ka na, don't ever forget parents and family. Sabi nga nila, beauty and brain. So we are so proud of you. Very proud.
I hope na kahit ngayong 18 ka na at mas nagiging seryoso na ang happening sa life, eh wag mong makakalimutan na mag-enjoy ka pa rin. Kasi being happy looks so good on you. Lalo na kapag tumatawa ka at lumilitaw yung whisker dimples mo. I wish you health, happiness, and lahat ng pinagpe-pray mo. Stay pretty inside and out. And most importantly, don't ever let anyone lose your spark. Thank you for being my constant. I love you always and happy birthday, Carmela.
May you live your life to the fullest and may God bless you and your family. Mahal na mahal kita palagi.
Sobrang grateful ako kasi isa ka sa mga naging best friend ko. Lagi mong tatandaan na nandito lang ako palagi para i-cheer at i-support ka sa lahat ng gagawin mo. Happy birthday! I love you!
For you to enjoy your youth. If kailangan mo ng life advice, beauty advice, always know na dito lang ako. So, happy 18th birthday, Carmi.
Happy 18th birthday, Carmi. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Sana pagpatuloy mo yung maging mabuting bata. Tapusin mo yung pag-aaral. Bawal mo ng mga boyfriend. Enjoy your day. Happy 18th birthday.
Wish ko lang, sana pagpatuloy mo pa yung pagiging mabait, loving, and independent na anak. I hope sana maging successful ka rin someday katulad ng dalawang kuya mo. Laging makikinig sa amin ng papa mo kasi gusto namin mas nasa mabuti ka lang palagi and at the same time, masunod yung dream mo after mo mag-college. Happy birthday, Carmela! I love you!